Hey guys, just had a quick run, picked up let's see if you can see it behind me, right there, gas air compressor off of Facebook Marketplace. The guy sold it to me. Needs some work and obviously some other parts, but I picked it up for cheap, so I need a little extra air at home, so just a little project on the side, so it's quick and easy. The guy was like in the town over from me, so 5-minute interaction. Here it is. Picked it up for 40 bucks. Not bad. Hopefully the pump works. Just need to get a pulley, possibly figure out how to connect the two. The guy was going to just do a project. I don't know how well this will work, but we'll find out. But I figure it was a good little risk. So we'll see. Alright, so I got this off the truck. It's a couple days later. So it's an 8 horsepower Briggs. Went on a Coleman or something on it. There's a Coleman sticker on the side, so I don't know what Coleman product this was attached to, but when the guy had this in his truck, he threw some ether in it, it popped. So I know it's got spark. Probably just needs some gas related issues. I checked, I've done some research on it now that I've had it for a few days. Saylor Beall, I don't know how you pronounce it, someone will tell me. It is the model number is DGT 420. So I was hoping this was going to be, a high volume Saylor Beall, whatever, pump. But apparently it's only, if I look at the manual, I look up that model number, it's only about 6.5 CFM delivery or something like that, so which is pretty low. So I'm a little disappointed in that. I thought it was going to be higher, but it seems to have some of the stuff. But I don't really know what the plans are for it. Maybe you guys can, you want to put in the comment section of what I should do with it. I'm on the fence of, I don't want to put, I guess my point is I don't want to put a lot of money in it for something that's only going to be 6.5 CFM of air. I'll try to get it started and I'll take a look at this and see how much it pumps. But I also have I have a 5 horse that I can throw on here. I don't know what the standard horsepower is supposed to be on this. So I'm gonna kind of look that up. I have, like I said, I have this Briggs 8 horsepower and I have a Briggs 5 horsepower that I can technically throw on here. Hopefully I don't have to do anything to the engine. Just a matter of finding a pulley to fit either one of them. This one has, it's a little dirty, so obviously I'll definitely clean it up. This one has a tapered shaft to a flat, so hopefully I can just get the pulley to sit on this section and then just either set screw it in or somehow machine a keyway in there, probably hack it in, but we'll see. So maybe I'll just set the camera up real quick and see if we can get this to pop off and run a little bit on, at least on some ether. So let me set the camera up real quick. Check the oil. Got oil. Enough to start it. Pretty dirty. Pops. A little loud though. Let's see how clean the spark plug is, and then check a few things. All right, I was just, the spark plug was clean, but I noticed the main jet was pretty much all the way seated, so it wasn't open at all. So I backed that off, you know, like 1.5 turns, and we'll see what that does. Might be flooded. All right, need to go find a longer screw to keep, be able to keep the carb on, or a shorter screw, I should say, not longer. Put a new fuel filter on it, and we'll try it again. Definitely sparking. I'll have to look up Try to find the carb settings for Briggs. I don't have many Briggs, so I'll have to check, see what they are.